why are you making another slime video? Because I want to. Okay? So let's start. So first you're gonna, put glue in a container. And then I'm sorry about the noise outside. It's because of my brothers. I'm sorry. Okay, and then add your activator. You know, yeah. Now we're just gonna mix it until it's good. And then yeah, let's see how it turns out. Okay guys. So I'm still mixing it. It's still kind of getting, it's still nasty though. I don't like it being nasty. But it's coming together. Looks good. Good. So it's coming together already. And I'm going to be making my slime. Where's the paint? Green. I'm going to be making mine green. I'm only going to add a little bit because I want it to be like a really pretty green. So yes, let's just continue. But that's until the end. Okay. Sorry guys, that's just sneeze right now. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I am still mixing this. I'm sorry about my sneeze. Because I need it to sneeze, you know? Okay guys, so I am... Again, I'm really sorry about the noise outside. Keep it down, people, gosh. Because, my brothers are playing outside, and my stepbrother is playing outside as well. And they're really annoying. Come on, get together. I want to play with you already. Oh no, you're not ready to get touched. Ew, I just touched it and it's nasty. Ew. So, I'm making another... I'm going to make a video of all my slimes together. Because, why not? And today the slime I'm going to show you is... Well, I went to the park today. And you're wondering, why is it in a candy thing? Candy container. It's because I don't have no more containers, so yes, when I went to the park, this is regular slime. It was spread everywhere. And then when I went to the park, I decided, maybe I should put sand in there. What happens when I put sand? And now it's the most smoothest slime ever. I love it. This is my favorite slime of all time. And I'm going back. I am gonna have to like go into that park again. I'm getting a whole bucket of it and just putting it all over my slime. Oh, it's gonna be so satisfying if I actually do that. But I don't think that the park will agree with that. So yeah, I might go to that park and bring slime, but who knows? So guys, it's really coming together. You can't see. And the slime does not want to come together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my pants are wet. Oh my gosh, they from hot water. Oh my gosh. Oh, I wet myself. Oh my gosh. Not actually pee, but like, I wet my pants. Oh, with the water. Ugh. Crispy water. Okay. It's coming kind of together, I guess. But I don't think it feels kind of like ready to touch. Like, it feels kind of nasty as well. So let me take it all off the spoon. Keep touching it. Oh, I'm touching it. Oh, oh, nasty, nasty. Oh, this is so sticky. Oh my gosh. Ew, this is so nasty. But coming together, I guess that's my brother. Sorry. I really don't want my brother to walk in my room and see me making a video. And he's gonna start making a lot of noise, and then I do not want that to happen. So, yeah, so this is what I have now, and I'm gonna make it green right now. So let's just make it green. Yeah, that's it. Oh, you saw that green? Oh my gosh. I want it to turn green already. Oh, I gotta look at my hand. Oh well. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little bit more activator and make it all be good. Oh, and all around. Oh, it's time for me to show you my slime. This slime. Okay guys, so sorry. Trying to pick it up. Oh, come on. Is that like a rock? Okay, see? Sorry, I'm playing with this a little. Okay. But it's really sweet. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below. What should I? Comment down below if you want me to make another. If this video gets to 100,000, no, just 100 likes, maybe I'll make another slime video. I don't really think it will because I don't really have that much subscribers, but that's fine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make slime.